Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna share very easy, inexpensive as well as very effective indoor activities to keep kids busy. So let's get started. We can arrange lot of easy and inexpensive activities using old magazine, and that's the first idea I'm gonna share with you all. So start saving your old magazines or old newspapers so that you can keep your kids busy indoor. If you have older kids at home, you can arrange simple word hunt activities using the old magazine. Here you can give some highlighters and ask them to highlight the words from the old magazine. You can target the specific word or any sight word from the old magazine, but if you want, you can simply go ahead and read few words and ask them to highlight the words. This is a very fun activity. Kids like the idea of highlighting words, and I have tried this activity with my kids already and they always enjoy it, and it's easy to keep them busy indoors. I'm showing an example using the pizza advertisement pamphlet. On these types of pamphlet, any particular word is frequently printed or used, such as here pizza word is frequently printed. So here we can easily ask kids to find out the word pizza, and so that they can come to know the word pizza. And along with that, there are other words such as big, box, large. These types of words are sight words, so we can ask them to look for these types of words and circle those words or highlight those words. Similarly, on these types of pamphlets, the numbers are also commonly printed, so we can practice numbers also with the kids. This is just an example of how we can use old magazine for practicing or doing word hunt with kids. On my channel, I have shared other activities that we can arrange using old magazine, so don't forget to watch them. Next, we can arrange simple rock painting or stick painting activity, and that's the next idea I'm gonna share with you all. For this activity, we can simply go outside and collect few rocks and some dry sticks and let the kids color them. Every step we can keep kids engaged and busy, from collecting rocks from outside, selecting rocks, which rock we should get it, and after that washing them under the water, as well as picking color, selecting different colors, and at the end selecting design. Here we can make simple designs on the rocks or ask them to write something on the rocks, or we can also write something on the rocks such as alphabets or some sight words. I have also shared these types of activities on my channel, so make sure to watch that video also. The next activity you can arrange is simple painting or coloring activity. You can draw any shape and ask your child to color that shape or picture. Here I am showing one example. Here I made the picture of gingerbread house, and I asked my daughter to decorate it using different colors as well as some of the decorative circles and some buttons. These types of picture coloring activities are very easy to arrange, as well as we can create an association between different stories by drawing these types of pictures, and we can easily develop kids' interest in reading. Therefore, I usually like to arrange these types of picture coloring activity after we read stories and books together. When it comes to arranging easy and inexpensive activities, we cannot skip the cardboard boxes. Cardboard boxes are so versatile and helpful for arranging many activities for kids. If you have cardboard boxes like this with an opening on one side, you can easily make treasure chest out of that, and you can easily arrange the pretend play where pirates come and steal the money from the treasure, or you can hide that treasure somewhere and ask your kids to make a map with the different landmarks, so that in future if they want to find out that treasure chest, they can go and find out. Or you can make out leprechaun trap also from these types of cardboard boxes. If you have simple plain boxes, you can arrange them in a row and cover them with the blankets. Then you can make them as a house, you can make it as a kitchen, or you can make it as a police station, however you want to. Next very easy and inexpensive activity to arrange are the water activities. I know water activities can be a little bit messy, but it keeps kids busy for a long time. If you want, you can give them some blocks or some other kinds of toys in the water and ask them to scoop them out. These types of simple activities can attract older kids also. Next activity you can arrange is the pretend play, or you can create your own shop. Here you have to just gather some of the empty boxes. I generally gather the empty yogurt box, egg carton, milk boxes, or milk cans, or any other things you have, or any empty boxes, and you can arrange a shop. If you have kids who are trying to learn about money, in that situation you can assign particular price to every item, and that way you can easily practice money with the kids. Also, these types of make believe plays prepare them for the daily routine activities, which is going to be helpful for them for a long term. We can talk about the healthy eating, non-healthy eating, as well as how to buy different things, how to choose different things by arranging these types of stores. I like to arrange these types of stores because through play we can easily teach different things to our kids. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to leave your comments in a comment section below. See you next time with the next video.